Pinipilit ko ikaw ang paliwanagin because one of the things I did at summer camp is kahit ang isang maliit na liwanag kapag makapag-adjust na ang vision natin sa madaling na lugar, mapapansin natin na ang maliit na liwanag ay nakakapagbigay ng tulong para makita natin ang mga bagay na kailangan natin makita. On our second day of summer camp, with the theme of passion, I learned that Christian is not only about its music. Hindi porket tumutugtog ka, sumasayaw ka, o umaawit ka ng mga praise song ay Christian na wala. Kundi sa taglay ng pananampalataya. However, faith is not an action, it's not an emotion, and it's not just something that can be said. But faith is always accompanied by action. And lastly, now that I know my mistake and na-realize ko ang aking mga pagkukulang sa Panginoon, hindi pwedeng magtapos sa nalalaman mo lang at pagsisihan ng mga ito. We must see the willingness to grow in the Lord. Kalaki pa pananampalataya ng may kasamang gawa.
Have you ever felt lost and searching for a meaning or a purpose? Had doubts or felt empty? Because I know I have. Before summer camp, I was so excited to go because I was looking for a place that could be vulnerable, raw, and expressive of the emptiness I was carrying. The night before summer camp, I prayed to God, Lord, may this summer camp change me for the better. And God answered in the most blessed way I could imagine. Before I knew it, I was crying every new night, taking the pain off my chest. The pain that couldn't be said in words. The happiness I had during summer camp was like a roller coaster. One moment I'd be crying because of the relief that the pain, worry, and emptiness I had was gone. The next I'd be jumping in so much joy because I felt blessed with the worship. In those 3 days of summer camp, I felt joy, pain, relief, and peace. Those 3 days brought me so much happiness and laughter. After summer camp, I felt that spark. The spark to do better and start making changes. I knew the liho, which means movement or galaw, is happening. It may be baby steps, but I started taking my ministry more seriously. More prayers, and somehow a testimony sa harap niyong lahat. If I were you, you should move too. Because kahit little movement lang yan, it's still a change. Because as said to James chapter 2 verse 17, even so faith, if it has not works, is dead being alone. I hope we can all take those steps into being better Christians and better versions of ourselves. To God be the glory.